This How to 1 Minute will show you how to check grammar and spelling mistakes in WordPress website. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to do it. We will use Grammarly to check our grammar and spelling mistakes. So if you're using Chrome browser, open a new tab and type. So you have to open Grammarly website, and the website name is grammarly.com. Once you are here, click on sign up. It's free. Now you have to create an account here. After creating a free account here, now you will jump into this page. And now you have to click on add to Chrome. Also you can click on apps. And from here you can add the Grammarly extension to your browser. So I'm clicking on Grammarly for Chrome, install, and adding the extension. Once the extension added, click on this puzzle icon and make sure to pin the Grammarly extension. And now I'm going to edit my post. And here's some text. If I hover over on videos, it's showing me the correct grammar or spelling. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.